scurry. It's cold and I'm freezing in a hurry. I'm soft and I'm green on a furry. Not seen a lot show.
In one of my videos, and this was this chair right here by Drew Barrymore. Okay, Drew Barrymore, girl, listen. Put me in all Drew Barrymore stuff. The furniture, the end tables, the lamps, everything. I am loving this chair right here. Okay, so right here I'm looking at the beautiful Drew chair by Drew Barrymore. This is cream bolé. It's like a cream color, and it looks like this chair comes in 3 different colors actually. It comes in charcoal, cream of course, and then you have sage. So honestly, this is a really good chair for the fall. I actually prefer the charcoal color chair because it just fits into the fall aesthetic, and I just really like how this chair has 3 beautiful plush accent pillows. It just looks so cute. Like, just look at it. It just looks so cute. And this would be very, very good for like a living room, or even like in a bedroom. Like, I have a pretty decent sized bedroom. Like, if I had the chair in here, I'll probably have it like a corner similar to this chair. It just looks really, really nice. And it has a sturdy wood frame construction, so that means that it will not have a lot of wear and tear over a short period of time. You'll have some longevity out of this chair too. So it looks like it's a very spacious, extra large chair. So, which is good. So it's really good for like if you're reading a book, or maybe if you're scrolling on your iPad, or, you know, you're looking at some, some stuff to buy from Walmart or anything like that, or any other websites. This would be really good for that. I mean, just a really good chill chair, but it's really cute though. Honestly, I love this chair. All right, guys, so Walmart has done it again. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. And if you want to find out new stuff that Walmart has, please check out the new video.